This is the Residhome Apartments, Val D'Europe, Paris. So one stop away in the Orient to Disneyland Paris. They've kindly upgraded us from a studio to an apartment. So this is a 4-person apartment. So as you walk in the door, you have a big mirror, your temperature control, and then you have a toilet, which is separate. I'll go around this way, so just come down the corridor. We have a bathroom, which has got 2 showers. So there's a shower cubicle, and there's a shower over the bath, and we've got a bath as well. Nice hairdryer, and a sink, and a mirror. Do your makeup and shaving? Nice big mirror there as well. As we come out the bathroom, that's the entrance again. So as we turn round, we come into the bedroom. So this is a king bed. Quite a large king bed. Nice picture of the Eiffel Tower on the wall. I like the colours as well. We have a TV. We can watch in bed. And then we have a safe, extra blankets for a duvet, loads of extra pillows. We have a bedside cabinet with a light on. There are a shortage of USB or even plugs in this apartment. That's the one downside. I'll have to unplug the lamp to plug my phone in. We have some hangers and a trouser press. I know it's a little dark, but there is an iron in there as well. It is very mood lighting, which is a little strange. And we have a seating area. This is the apartment area. So you get some coffees, little cookies, some water, and some coffees, which are part of the courtesy tray. We have a little table where you can work out with your laptop, some tissues, and another TV. This closes, and then this becomes a bed for another 2 people. We have some chairs for a little breakfast, and a couple of chairs in the main room as well. Forgive the luggage, we just arrived, it's late at night. And then we have a coffee maker and a kettle, some crockery, some bowls, some wine glasses, a bin and a brush. Really, there's everything you need in here. Tea towel, some crockery. What is this? This is a little dishwasher. Wow. And then we have some little cabinets, some utensils, and open your wine. And then we've got a sink with little welcome pack things to wash up with. More cupboards, pans and pots. And then we have a microwave and 2 induction hobs and a fridge as well. So this is the Residhome Apartments. There's a snacking menu. The Residhome Val D'Europe, right next to the Oreo station, and one stop from Disneyland. And look at that picture on the wall to finish off.